my swirls, Komajiro, they don't hit the Pentagon. All my swirls, Komajiro, they don't hit the Pentagon.
I got this crystal. I got this vein. You go find a different one.
You suck. I don't know where else.
Oh, there it is. Okay, well.
Watch, bro.
Oh, I thought you were talking about. One of them thought he could escape.
There's probably some over here. Follow me, spider.
Green FN! Green FN! Oh, I escaped. But why do they only have like one? Why don't they have the normal like kamikaze bomb that they usually do? I found some veins. Tons of veins. Yeah, I'm full. I'm heading back. I will meet you at one of the cubes by the heart. Where's the Beacon of Hope? I'm gonna get it so you know where I am. Beacon of Hope, where you going? Beacon of Hope. Sorry, come here, come here. Yo, Beacon of Hope. Yo, this is new. The platforms on the cranes have changed. Not like that's important, but it's new. I'm about to kill this man. Yo, come here, boy. You won't take me? Take me. I'm just gonna bait it. I'm baiting it right at the heart. Yeah, and now they're gonna be.
Get over here. Okay.
Wait, what are you gonna do? Don't.
Gazoon, die!
Don't do it! Don't do it! Oh my god.
No, don't show you recording. When you show you recording, they like stop it. It takes way too long to do that.
Or go like this.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You're like.
Alright.
So this is the Doopy.
No, there's already one in my storage. So we can sell that one.
Yeah, so that one's the Doopy. Not the Duper, the Doopy.
Yeah.
They go in here like they can't go over here.
Me.
Oh, wait, which way? We have like a shit ton. Okay.
Oh, we did this for like 30 tries that thing. Or that picture, man. It's like the fact if you like want to go for one of you.
Yeah, that's how I feel, bro.
You're not fat. I'm talking about like 4 long.
Ready? Power friendship.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.